Prefixes are letters added to the beginning of words to change the meaning of the base word. Prefixes are very common and are important to learn because, as well as helping with spelling, they help us understand word meanings. In this lesson, we'll go through 5 common prefixes in English. Let's start with this list of words. Our first prefix is un. Looking at each of these words, can you work out what the prefix un means? Un means not or opposite of, often giving the base word a reversed meaning. Unhelpful, not helpful. Unkind, the opposite of kind. Unbalanced, not balanced. Unbelievable, not believable. Perhaps you can think of other words with the prefix un. Here's a new list of words. What do you think the prefix re means? It means again. Replay, play again. Recycle, to put something through a process or a cycle again, so it can be used again. Reread, read again. Rearrange, arrange again. What other words do you know that have the prefix re? Here is our third list of words. What's our focused prefix and what do you think it means? Like un, the prefix dis means not or the opposite of. Dishonest, not honest. Disagree, the opposite of agree. Disconnect, the opposite of connect. Disapprove, to not approve. Now on to our fourth word list. What do you think the prefix pre means? It means before. Preview, to view before. Precaution, an action taken beforehand. Predetermine, to determine beforehand. Prepare, to make ready before. Now our final word list. Spot our final prefix and see if you can work out its meaning. Miss means incorrectly or badly. Misunderstand, to understand incorrectly. Misbehave, to behave badly. Misspeak, to speak wrongly or make a mistake in speaking. Mismanage, to manage something badly. Now you know what prefixes are and how these 5 change the meaning of words, you can start recognizing even more prefixes in everyday English. Before you finish, let's put your new knowledge to the test. Think of a word with each of the prefixes we've covered today. Leave it in the comments so I can check them out. Even better, use them in sentences so we can see how well you've mastered these prefixes in context. Thanks for following along, and I hope to see you soon for the next lesson. EasyTeaching.net